Joining the latest products from Masterhitch Europe Ltd is the new concrete pourer. As you can see, there are two spouts, one at the front, one at the rear. This allows the operator to either pour away from the machine or towards it. Pouring towards the machine gives the operator better vision. Pouring away from it may be useful when pouring concrete into shuttering or formwork, or when extra reach is required. The spout ensures the operator has more control and is able to pour a steady flow of concrete evenly. This therefore eliminates the requirement for someone on the ground, making concrete pouring a much safer, faster and less labour-intensive process. The concrete pourer fits excavators from 8 to 24 tonnes, which are commonly found on construction sites. Concrete pourers will generally hold up to 1 cubic metre of pouring material. The attachment can be made to fit any quick hitch or standard pin mount. The design and manufacture of the concrete pourer is all carried out in-house by Masterhitch Europe Ltd, and these are available to purchase from Masterhitch or to hire nationally from HE Services Plant Hire Ltd. For further information on this particular attachment and to view our other products, please visit www.masterhitch.co.uk.